Good afternoon. My name is Belma Korgutovich. I was part of Group 1. Some of my contributions to the group were to create an outline for each team member and to assign them to an individual topic to complete. I was also in charge of completing sections, illegal downloading of materials, and plagiarism and copywriting. The website overview is about informing people about the ethics of the internet. We worked together throughout the whole project, throughout the whole semester. We learned a lot about each other and helping each other's with their weaknesses and their strengths. We were also able to depend on each other in order to complete our designated responsibilities that we were held accountable for. We had also been able to manage and plan our time using different ways of communication to get our task completed. This project to learn how to be a team player. We've all learned how to make time even though we all have busy schedules. We were all able to incorporate a time to be working together on the project. Everyone went out of their way to help and make the project become a success. And I want to also thank everyone for always trying to do more than they are assigned. That's the key. Thank you.